Hey guys, I'm Ed. Welcome to my channel. So, are you ever thinking about, man, I need the ultimate getaway in my backyard? The vacation destination where you don't have to leave your house? Well, I made it. I'm entering retirement. I'm going to show you what I got. Check it out because you're going to want some of this. I'm going to turn the camera around. We're going to show you what we got. All right. So what do you need? What do you need to relax? I think you need four things. Number one, you need a shaded spot. You need a shaded spot on those hot days. So number one, the first thing I started with is I made a pergola. That's right, we made a wood pergola just for the shade, to give it like the atmosphere of a room. We used to have a small fireplace, but I used it so often that thing fell apart. So I went ahead and made this fireplace, custom masonry one, which is amazing. That thing runs like a blast furnace. It's so enjoyable. Put a little bit of the sea beachside vibe on the fireplace with the sand dollar. Put a little palm tree out, give it a little bit of a vibe. Let's go over to the pizza oven. Pizza oven is a great thing to have for entertaining. A little vent on this guy. So I made this as well myself. Inside we got fire brick. You could even use this just as a fireplace, to be honest with you, but we grill vegetables in there. We put pizzas in. Had a piece of granite left over from a kitchen remodel that I did. Made that a prep station. Got some oak drying out underneath. What else would be a great spot? Tiki bar. Check it out. You need a tiki bar. That's right, this is our authentic tiki bar. Got a little bit of signage here. Correct destinations with mileage. You check and look closely. Los Cabos, 31 miles away from here. Fiji, 7,800 miles away. That way. Authenticity is important for me. One thing I love, we love Sammy Hagar here. We love Van Halen, so we got the Cabo Wabo. It's a little dirty. This is early in the season, so I didn't clean up yet. But this is right after winter time. We're early spring. But we do a lot of entertaining here. A lot of family parties. Let me turn this thing around. And to be honest with you, it's just a glorified backyard, regular house. The house isn't that crazy, but we make the house custom, and that's what you want. You could do any of this stuff too. If you're handy with your hands, you know somebody, hire a contractor if you have to. But I'm telling you, the elements you want for a residential backyard that's like a vacation, get yourself some shade, get yourself a water feature, get yourself a fireplace, a little fire pit, and some landscaping with plants. I'm going to take you out and show you something I made that I'm really proud of, that I run off of a remote control, and that is a rain wall. We're going to turn it around so you can get a view of this guy. And check out him. You look at this guy. So this is basically a waterfall. But I didn't want a waterfall, a normal one. I wanted one that felt like gentle rain. Can you guys hear that? It's pretty badass. Get a lot of compliments on that guy. I actually made that for a home and garden show for a friend of mine. And we took it apart and I reinstalled it in my backyard here. Just to enjoy that sound of the rain. And the airplane flying over. It's a different angle. Again, the whole idea is to have that atmosphere where you can relax. So I'm here to show you that it can be done, talk to you about it, give you some ideas. So hope you like what you're seeing. Just wanted to talk to you for a moment about that. Again, you can create a spot that works for you, that gives you the vibe you want. We love relaxing. We love a little island music. We love a little bit of shade. So I hope you enjoyed what I showed you. I just wanted to do a quick video showing you around. If you found value in the video, click the like button. Consider subscribing. I'm going to show a lot more content for your retirement life, for your weekend life, anything you need to enjoy life. Get away from the stress of it. So I'm going to turn around and show you one more quick view, and we'll get to talking about things that you too can do. Doesn't have to be this big and grand. It can start with one simple plant and a very small water feature you can get anywhere on Amazon. You got a chair to sit in, like I do. And if I'd stop talking, of course I got my little guys outside, the little weens. Charlie's rolling in the grass because he's enjoying himself. But hope you like this, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for coming by. Have a great day.